Hi there students, again. I have downloaded this lady from the models here from BlenderKit. I'm gonna close this so it doesn't interfere with our object, and I'm gonna go into edit mode, and basically what I want, because I want to create a top for this lady, but I don't want the chest to kind of come through, so I'm gonna come in here, and basically you're gonna select parts of the lady's geometry. Yeah, so I clicked on one, and then I'm going to press Control, and basically I'm gonna just hold on to that and just select as many parts here of the chest to kind of make it more flat. Yeah, we probably want this one too, so we can just select one and then press Control, and it's gonna select multiples. Yeah, and then we're gonna delete it. Now you can go to the edges, and then I'm gonna press Control after selecting one, and you can see how I select multiples. And then I'm gonna scale this in, yeah, to there, and we can press F, or we could simply select that and press F. So press F and you see how it will just close it up. Yeah, we could actually do a bit more, so we don't have to see the aureola. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit more, and I'm going to go to faces. I'm gonna select this, I'm gonna select that, I'm gonna press in Control, I'm gonna just select as much as I can. Yeah, and then we are going to delete that. Then again we're gonna go into the edges and Control, and I'm gonna select and then select, and then we're gonna press F. So now you can see we won't be able to see, you know, parts a little bit. It's a little flat, but it's up to you what you want to do. Now we're gonna try to do the same thing here. So let's see if we get this right. So just zoom in closer. That's if you want, though. You don't have to if you don't want. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna start selecting. Select. Just keep selecting. Probably zoom in. And I'm pressing Control again, and I'm just selecting as much as I can of the geometry of the lady. And before we delete anything, we're just gonna zoom out. That way we can see if we have selected the right thing. Yeah, the right part. Kind of looks like it. So I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm going to go, feels like I selected more, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna Control, I'm gonna select, and then Control, and then press F. Yeah, now we're gonna find out if I did. Yeah, I did it wrong, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go into faces. I'm gonna select here. I want the top to go up to here, I think, and then I'm gonna press Option, and it's gonna give me the loop of this place here. Then I'm gonna press here, press here, yeah, and it's gonna, I press Control, and it's kind of giving me a little bit of it. Now I'm gonna come to the front view, and I'm gonna try to select more of this. So I'm gonna come to this side and I'm gonna select to where, you know, I want the top to go down to, just a little bit on top of the belly button. Yeah, then I'm gonna select those. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just selecting and holding shift when I'm selecting. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna hold shift and then I'm gonna select, and then I'm gonna do the same thing here and here. And since I don't want those, I'm gonna hold shift and then click on those, and I don't want the top to go that high, so I'm gonna just unselect those. Yeah, and you can zoom in if you want, and I'm just gonna unselect those, and then I'm going to do the same thing here, pressing shift. I'm just gonna go selecting little bits by little bits, and then in here as well. Yeah, so right now it's looking okay. I'm gonna check around in the same ways that I want. Yeah, and also I'm gonna zoom in because I think I want to continue this here. So I'm gonna just select that and then press Control. You can select multiples. Then I'm gonna press Control and then press Control, and then you will select within that. Yeah, that's looking good. I could actually, yeah, I think I'm happy with this. I'm going to try to do the same thing, very symmetrical on the other side, so you can see it's just this one's here. So I'm zooming in by pressing Control and scrolling in, and then I'm gonna do the same thing here and come around. Make sure I've selected all, so I'm gonna zoom out by scrolling away and pressing Control, and I'm just gonna check. Obviously that's, yeah, make sure you do it. And it looks like I've selected all of them. So now we're gonna do, gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see, and then you're gonna press Shift D. You're gonna duplicate this. Yeah, and then you're gonna escape, and it's giving you it's kind of giving you, you know, duplicating this where you selected it. Yeah, so now I'm gonna press P, and it's gonna, you're gonna select P selection, and you can see it's highlighted, so it has separated. So by pressing P, you basically you separated what you selected, that you, so that you Shift D, that you duplicated, you separated it by pressing P, and then you have your lady and you got your top. Yeah, so you can come in here and we can try to select as match, or just get rid of the lady and just select the whole thing. I'm gonna just Shift and then Control to kind of zoom in a little bit to where this is. I'm gonna keep selecting, making sure everything's selected. Yeah, under the arms, make sure everything looks orange. Then we're gonna zoom in. I'm pressing Shift after zooming in. I'm like scrolling around, and we are going to be pressing Options E. So we're gonna be extruding this, and this is gonna pop up once you press Options and E on your keyboard. So Option E, or you can, after selecting all, you can also do right click and it's gonna give you the same commands. So we're gonna do faces along normals. You can see how it's giving you the thickness. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with this thickness. And we can even come in here and we could make this sheet smooth. You can even make it more sheet smooth. Yeah, and also it could give some color to this, so we can come in here and like say we want pink, and we can assign it. Yeah, we could get our ladybug, and you can see well, we haven't added any lights, you know, but you can see, you know, you done a top. Yeah, you can see it's smooth without the lights in here, and definitely this one looks better than this one here. Also, you can play around with sculpting if you wanted to, but this is pretty quick how you can do it. Yeah, it looks nice. Also, if you wanted to change that, you can come to the Blender Kit. If you have downloaded Blender Kit, have in mind that only works so far. Archimesh Blender Kit is been working for 4.5 a Blender version and for 5.0, I think, and but the ones in the computers in the school, they are 4.5, I think. So have that in mind. Also, Archimesh works only for 4.5 version. If not, you're pretty welcome to use the computers in the computer lab, Mac lab, which you should be. I'm gonna go into here, materials, and I'm gonna just type floral. Oopsie, floral pattern. Let's see what we can get. Something pretty. Anything, I guess, could go. Yeah. And we got the top. You can do this same thing and do underwear, bathing suits. You can do pants. Also, you can do jewelry by using the bodies. You can use this body to do shoes and things like that. I've been playing around with sequins and just changing sort of what's in here. I like that one, and you can zoom in, you can see all the details of it, so it's really nice.